Once upon a time, there was a fish of gold named Sham. He was a lonely fish, for he didn't have any friends. "Hello, Mr. Green Plant, how are you today?" "Oh, you're not very friendly." He swam to the purple plant. "Hello, Mrs. Purple, how are you today?" You don't seem very friendly either." "Well, I'll just have to talk to myself." "Hello, Sham, how are you? How do you like being a fish?" "Well, I like being a fish, but it's kind of lonely when you're by yourself." "What would you do if you had a friend, Sham?" "Well, I would swim together and bubble and talk together." Oh, who am I kidding? Talking to myself. This is silly. And poor Sham just swam lonely by himself. Until one day, another fish of gold was plopped into the fish tank. "Oh, hello. My name is Sham. What is your name?" "My name is Shell. I'm a she-fish." "Oh, very cool. I'm a he-fish. Nice to meet you, Shell. Would you like to be my friend?" "Oh, yes." And they swam together all afternoon in their little fishbowl. Well, in a few days, another fish came into the fishbowl. "Oh, hello. My name is Sham, and my name is Shell. What is your name?" "Oh, I don't have a name. I'm just fish." "Well, maybe we can come up with a name. Come and join us. We're going to swim together." And the three fish swam together and had so much fun. Sham was happy that he had so many friends. Well, one day, the new fish was getting bigger and bigger, and Sham had a talk with the new fish. "You know, you're getting quite big. There's not enough room in here. I think we should call you Whale, because you're getting to be as big as a whale." "I'm sorry. My parents were big fish. I just have big bones. I can't do anything about it." "Well, try sucking in your cheeks a little. Maybe that'll save some room." "All right, I'll try." No matter how hard he tried, Whale just couldn't make himself smaller. "Well, Whale, why don't you just try to stay on one side of the fish bowl?" And no matter where he stayed, he was always bigger and always hard to get by. So, one day, the narrator thought of something new. The narrator, that's me. The narrator put the fish into a wonderful little pond just outside. "Oh, this is great, guys. I got lots of room." "Yeah, it's really nice." "Yeah, it's great. You can be as big as you want." And so they swam in their wonderful, peaceful pond. In a couple of weeks, the whale fish got even bigger. "Oh, wow, Whale, you are really big." "Yeah, sorry about that." "Oh, it's not a problem. We have lots of room. You just keep growing." Well, one afternoon, a toad spotted Sham and Shell swimming together and dove in to eat them. "Ah! Help! Help! Whale! Whale! Stay right there. I got you. Whale! 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 Off you go, you big old toad! Ah!" And the toad swam away quickly. "I got your back, guys. Boy, am I glad that you are as big as a whale. Oh, me too. And the three friends lived happily ever after. Hi guys! So today we're going over two combinations. This is the first one. This one says, shh, as in, please be quiet. Shh. The second one can either say, what, or in some cases, wow, without that one saying anything. But today, we're just saying it with the wah. So the wow is in gray so that you know it doesn't say anything. This will say wah. Hi guys, it's me, Jerome. It's time for letter art. Oh yeah. Okay, we are going over the wah combo and we're gonna spell whale, as in our story. Okay, so here we go, assistant. There we go, there's wah. Now I need a, not an a, because we don't say whale. That sounds silly. We say A for acorn. Let's try that one. Wah, a-yo, with a silent E at the end. Shh, doesn't say anything. It just makes this one say A. A-yo, with a silent E. Whale. Ta-da. All right. Now we're going to draw the whale. All right, we can put this down here. Thank you, assistant. Okay, get out a dark marker. We'll move the whale out of the way. And here we go. All right. We're going to draw a big curve to a little mouth area and a big curve to the tail. Okay, the little mouth. All right, and then stop about there. Jump in. We're going to put the little fin, as you can see. Awesome. And then there's that line, so jump over. Very tricky. Okay, go up toward the tail. Don't close it up. All right, here's the beak. See the tail? All right, we're going to go out that way, couple little waves. Ta-da. Very cool. All right, there's a top fin up there we're going to add. Maybe we can stick that guy over there. Okay, so we're going to do this. Very good. Put some texture lines in there. And some down in this fin. Nice. All right, now we're going to put big eyes. See the big eyes? Big circle with a dot and then a half circle. And a dot. And then a half circle and a dot. Nice. Whale has big eyes. Okay, and then you can color your whale whatever color you want. You can color it orange like in our story, or purple, or whatever. All right, guys. Good job. Hi, guys. It's me, Jerome. Oh, yeah. All right. So, I made a cool plate for Ellie. I painted her favorite shoes on it. So, I'm going to have her come by, and it'll be a surprise. All right, Ellie. Ellie, come on over here. I got something for you. Okay, Jerome. Hold on. What's up, Jerome? Well, make a wish. Cover your eyes. Shh. Okay, are you making a wish? Sure, Jerome. All right, uncover your eyes. It's a dish. Was that your wish? Oh, Jerome, it's beautiful. I didn't know you could paint so well. Ish. It's my favorite dish. Thank you, Jerome. You're welcome, Ellie. Bye, guys. Oh, hello there. I'm the weather girl today. Today it's going to be very cloudy. Excuse me. Thank you. That was a cloud with 100% chance of snow. and it should happen any moment. Hello? Snow? You're supposed to happen? What? When will it happen? I don't think it's going to happen. Oh dear. Oh, there it goes. Oh dear. Oh dear. Okay. Okay. All right, I believe you. I believe you. Hey guys, we get to do letter art again. Oh boy, double dose this time. I love to draw, and I'm starting to get into painting too. Okay, so I want you to listen. Shh, our combo, one of our combos. Shh, for shake. How many of you like shakes? Raise your hand. Me. I love chocolate shakes and strawberry shakes. They both start with shh. Okay, first we're going to spell it. All right, shh. Thank you, assistant. Now, shh. A. All right. A for apple, A for acorn, or A for Audrey. A for acorn. Good job. Okay. Shh. A. Now we need a K. There we go. And a silent E at the end to make that one say A. Shh. Ache. And then there's a silent E. Shh. Doesn't say anything. All right. Shake. We're going to draw it now. We'll put this down here. Okay, get out a marker. We're going to draw an oval on the top. Oh, actually just a curved line. And then diagonal. And another diagonal. And then a curve to match this curve. Good. Okay, we're going to put lots of whipped cream on top. And the other side. Ooh, looks yummy. Okay, let's put like a straw coming out of there. Okay, other side of the straw. And a little skinny oval. Okay, maybe put stripes on it. Yeah, nice. We'll have a cool looking straw. All right, now, if you want a chocolate shake, you can color it brown. If you want a strawberry, color it pink. Blueberry, whatever you want. Okay, let's see what I can find. Okay, my assistant found, looks like a reddish marker. Oh, guess it's gonna be strawberry. Okay, there's a strawberry shake with white whipped cream on top, and maybe put a cherry over here. Okay, and let's see. Maybe bright red. Okay, and maybe some texture lines in the whipped cream. And then maybe color the straw. It's got stripes. I'm just letting my assistant pick whatever color she wants. There you go. There's, I guess, a strawberry shake. Shh. A. With a silent E that's covered up. Where is that little thing? There we go. Shh. Ache. Shh. Don't wake it up. Awesome. And don't forget our list.